is for elephant.
Where's the letter E? Click the letter E. Where's the letter E? E, get it. Pink. Ah, wow. You get it. More, letter E. More. Now it's done, letter E. Letter F na, baby. Letter F. Where's letter F? Letter F, where are you? Oh, wow, correct. F, correct, sweetie. F is for frog, guys. Frog. What next? Letter F. F. You found the letter F. More F. More. Go, sweetie. Yay. More. Get it, sweetie. Get the letter F, sweetie. F. Yay. Wow. Perfect. Wow, it's for frog ang F. What else? That's my baby girl. Patay eel. Electric eel. Patay yan. Electric sigon. Lucas. What else? What letter?
This one.
The wheel. Patay. Heavy ang wheel. Oh no, why is it? No, he cannot get it.
It's
So
so funny.
funny. Letter G. Letter G na, sweetie. That's the letter G. Oh, letter G. Get it, sweetie. Get the letter G. Oh, wow. You get the letter G. More, sweetie, more. You need to get 4. Letter Z. Wow, perfect, sweetie. Perfect. More Z, letter Z. Perfect. Yay, more. More pa, sweetie. I help you. Letter Z. Perfect. Yay. Oh, more. One more. One more letter Z. Perfect.